Just a couple of things I thought of and wanted to show you.
Well, I don't know if you call this a prologue, an epilogue, an analogue, a wooden log. It's a bit after all of the work. Yeah, this one came out a bit easier with my purchase tool. Much better, got lots of different things I could use. Heating this up and then hitting the end here with a hammer, that really made this come out a lot easier. Initially it was difficult to start, I grant you. You know, you really have to crank on it and change your underwear a few times, and also you probably need better advice than I've got, but anyway, I managed to do it. And then you need to be able to swing a hammer and give this a good whack. Then out she popped with a bit of heat. Heat it up with my torch over there, and then give it a good crank and then a whack or two. Well, actually it takes more than a whack or two. And now it's out. I can't touch it at the moment because it's bloody hot, but that is excellent. There you go, you can see, I mean I can touch that but I can't try and undo it. That is out. Now all I got to do is clean this up, press the new one in. Hammer the new one in, which is what it will be, the same as before. Yeah, hang on a second. This, as you can see, is how this clip undoes. You just have to give it a bloody good squeeze. I think in the end I found squeezing didn't work, in all honesty. And what I did was I used a screwdriver to pry it open. Now all I've got to do, is tap it back up and then pull this piece over and hook it onto there. Sounds simple, doesn't it? Yeah. It's not going to be, and in fact what I'm going to do is clean this up in here a bit, because I heard it then, it's full of grit, and I don't know, I guess it's a rheostat in there, something like that. So yeah, okie dokie, here we go kids. Gah, such fun. And I'll give that a whack or two with the old wubber hammer and push that in and get the bolt through it. This bolt is always difficult because of the angle. You kind of have to twist the shock absorber until it lines up properly. At the moment that doesn't line up, but it will, and I'll get that done maybe tomorrow. I'll get this finished and then I can take her down the road. I don't know if they'll let me. I'm going to ask if I can film them doing the adjustment. They may say no. There's probably some insurance reason that they won't let me be in the workshop, or maybe the mechanic won't want me to watch him do it. We'll see. I can ask. The worst they can do is say no, fuck off, and if they do, then I have to respect that. It's their workshop, not mine. Okay, just thought I'd throw in this 5 minutes of shits and giggles.